Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to short sell on Trading 212. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.trading212.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your trading account. This will take you directly to your main dashboard where you can start managing your trades. Now, you'll need to choose the stock or asset you want to short sell. You can browse through the available options on your dashboard, or if you already know what you're looking for, simply use the search bar located in the upper right corner of the screen. Type in the name or ticker symbol of the asset you want to sell, and it should appear in the search results. Click on it to open up the trading interface for that specific asset. Once you've selected your asset, you'll see the option to sell. Go ahead and click on Sell. This initiates the short selling process where you're essentially betting that the price of the asset will decrease. It's important to understand that short selling comes with risks, so make sure you're comfortable with this strategy before proceeding. Next, you'll want to protect your position by setting up a stop loss. Look for the stop loss toggle switch and click on it to turn it on. This feature is crucial because it automatically closes your position if the price moves against you beyond a certain point, helping you limit potential losses. After enabling stop loss, you'll need to set the amount or percentage. Simply type in the exact amount or percentage value that you're comfortable with based on your risk tolerance. Now, let's set up your take profit level. Find the take profit toggle switch and click on it to turn it on. The take profit feature is designed to automatically close your position once the price reaches your desired profit level, ensuring you lock in gains without having to constantly monitor the market. After enabling take profit, type in the exact amount or percentage where you want to secure your profits. This gives you a clear exit strategy and helps you maintain discipline in your trading. With both your stop loss and take profit levels configured, you're ready to execute the trade. Click on Confirm Sell to finalize your short position. The platform will process your order, and you should see it reflected in your active positions shortly. Keep in mind that market conditions can change quickly, so it's always a good idea to monitor your trades regularly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a short sell position on Trading 212 with proper risk management in place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.